Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with Subella Hair again. So for today's package, it's the same as usual, and I did get a robe in addition. I got a bag with some goodies. So we're gonna go through that first before we jump into the wig. So I got a branded Subella elastic headband. I got some brushes. I got a set of press-ons. There's also a pair of lashes that are really cute and a pair of HD wig caps. Now for today's wig, this is super natural looking. It's a limited design and it's a 4C hairline Jerry curly wig at 200% density, glueless HD lace front, kinky edges, afro kinky curly hair, and it's so natural, guys. It's a drawstring construction. It's a 360 invistrap construction. It's very convenient. Like, as you can see, that always make the security much better than just a normal wig construction. So I love that they did that. I just adjusted the adjustable straps that are within the actual cap itself, and this is a medium cap size that I got. The hair color is a 1B color. Now they say it's 250% density, guys, but this is giving 350. It's so full, but then again, it's because it's a kinky afro kinky curly texture, so it's giving very much naturalista. It's giving healthy hair. It's gorgeous. As I said, it's a 4C edge type of wig, so you can see it's really natural looking in the front. I was showing you that I'm just taking lace tapes for the side to help lay the ear portion down, because I am doing a glueless install, so this is perfect for my beginners. I went ahead, applied it, and I just stick it onto the that portion. But that's how it looks in the front. Now if you choose to go ahead, you could go ahead and define the edges with like some gel or curling pudding if you wish, but I went ahead and just rocked it as is, straight out of a package in its natural state. I then just placed that elastic headband around my head to keep the wig in place while I play around with it. Now you could choose to go ahead and wear this wig completely dry. You don't have to apply any products or anything, and you could get a really fluffy look, super fluffy. I was just parting it throughout the lace front portion to show you how much parting space you actually have, because it's beautifully, they already bleached the knots. It's plucked, even though you cannot really see it because the texture of the hair in the front is so kinky, but it is nicely customized. There was a little bit more shedding than I would like, but I believe that, you know, also because it's kinky curly and then you're detangling it and it's in the dry state, I would recommend making sure that you wet it before you try to attempt to detangle it. Right here, I just applied water, just water to it, and I was just going through that with my brush, but I then decided that I wanted to add some product to it. So you're gonna see in a few where I added some coconut curling cream, and I just took my time to completely like go throughout the entire wig with that product to define the curls more and make everything look super juicy. So I'm just gonna get into that for the rest of this portion. So it's easier to watch. It's not much to say. It's super easy, very beginner friendly. The people that don't have all the time to be installing a wig, this wig is gonna come in clutch for you, especially if you enjoy a very beautiful afro kinky type of wig. This wig is gorgeous for that.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I like fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Pretty much right here I just adjusted the invistraps and I took away the excess string beneath the cap once I'm done with, you know, adjusting it to where I want it to be. Now for the most part, this is it for the wig. Like, you could go ahead and explore different hairstyles with this as you please, and as I told you, I'm gonna leave the edges in the natural state, so you could play around with that. You could define them, make them curly just like the rest of the hair if you wish, but you see that density? You cannot see through this wig, and that's gorgeous. Now if you want to do an updo, that's how it looks in the back. Very natural after all. It's a 360 wig, so yes, it looks very realistic. But yeah, Subella did their thing on this. I did attach a link in the description box if you want this wig. That's where you can find it. All the specifications are listed. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.